What? Learn how to say what in Hindi. You are brave. You can do this. Chalo. Let's go learn Hindi.
नमस्कार, हरा धनिया बारीक कटा हुआ एक टेबल स्पून आप सबको बहुत
Hi guys, welcome to day 3 of the 30-day Hindi challenge. Our vocabulary words for today are kya. Kya can either mean what or are, as in are you or is it. But we're going to get into the complexities of that later. Right now, just think this usually means what or are, as in are you. Our next vocabulary word for today is vidyaarthi. Vidyaarthi, which means businessman. And our final vocabulary word for today is lekhak. Lekhak, which means writer. If you're a writer, you write books. Okay, our grammar key for today is kya aap hain. So, are you, and it's a little bit interesting if you translate it actually word for word. You're really saying are you are, but just think of it as you're saying are you. So, are you a businessman? Kya aap vyapari hain? Are you a writer? Kya aap lekhak hai? We can ask any question about what a person is or what a person does by simply using kya aap hai and putting anything there in the blanks that we want. Now we're going to move on to drilling this. And this is really where you start to see how things are layering on and you start to see the complexity growing, because we're also going to be reviewing some of the words that we learned in the previous 2 lessons. Kya aap vyapari hai? Are you a businessman? Kya aap lekhak hai? Are you a writer? Kya aap shikshak hai? Are you a teacher? Kya aap vidyaarthi hai? Are you a student? Kya aap bharatiya hai? Are you an Indian? Kya aap Amriki hai? Are you an American? Again, spend more time drilling. Spend a few minutes repeating it to yourself until you're really confident and familiar with the structure and until you can do it from memory. All right, thanks for joining us for day 3 of the 30-day Hindi challenge. I'll see you back here tomorrow.